This is AIX, your daily dose of AI news.
Unitree just built a giant robot you can actually sit inside. No, seriously, this is not a render. This thing walks out of a warehouse like a boss fight just started. It's huge, it's red, almost 10 feet tall, and there's a human sitting in the middle like he unlocked the final level of robotics. At first it walks on 2 legs, it stomps, it shakes. The pilot bounces with every step, and honestly that makes it crazier, because you can feel how heavy this thing is. Then a guy walks up and fist bumps it. Next to them are Unitree's normal humanoid robots, but now they look tiny, like side characters. Then the pilot climbs in using the robot's leg like a ladder. Bro, imagine casually climbing into a 500-kilogram walking machine. Then Unitree makes it smash a concrete block wall. One hit, the whole wall collapses. At that moment, this stops feeling like a cool demo and starts feeling like, okay, where's this going? But then comes the wildest part. The robot drops down. Its arms touch the ground, and suddenly it's not a humanoid mech anymore, it's a giant 4-legged robot beast. And somehow that mode looks even scarier, more stable, more animal-like, like something walking through a sci-fi battlefield. This is experimental, sure, but Unitree is testing balance, power, human control, and shape-shifting movement in one machine. Disaster rescue, construction, heavy transport, or something much darker. Because once robots are big enough to carry humans and strong enough to break walls, the conversation changes. This is not just another robot demo. This is a real-life mech starting to look possible. Subscribe to AIX because robotics is getting weird fast.